Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome to trading classes. So from today I'm going to start a new playlist. The playlist name is Basics of Stock Market, where I'm going to teach you everything about stock market from the scratch. That is, I'm going to start from zero. So before entering into the video, I wanted to tell you something that if you start learning anything, you should not leave that in between. So what I want to say is half knowledge is very dangerous than no knowledge. So let's take an example. So if you don't know how to drive a flight, it's okay. You can stay on the land, no problem. But if you know only how to take off, but if you don't know how to land, what happens? You will die. So in similar way, for stock market also, so you don't learn it halfway. First you learn it properly. Otherwise what happens is if you see 2-3 YouTube videos and if you take up a trade, then there is more probability that you lose your money. So make sure that if you have that patience to learn this skill, then watch this video completely without skipping. And if you think you don't have that patience, then you just stop right here. Okay, so that's what I want to tell. Let me start with the very basic thing. So every country has a lot of companies. So as we are in India, we'll talk about Indian stock market. So in India there are approximately 16 lakhs companies. Okay, so can you buy all those company shares? No, you can't do that. In India there are only 6,000 to 8,000 companies that are listed for public. That means only shares of those companies you can buy. So our target should be only those 6,000 to 8,000 companies. We have to pick stocks from those 6,000 to 8,000 companies only. Now the question is, what is a share? Okay, so for now you just don't go deep into that. Just remember, like, share is a part of a company. Like for example, Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries has around 600 crore shares, and each share price value is approximately 3,000 rupees. And if you take another example, TCS. So TCS has around 300 crore shares, and each share value is around 4,500. Okay, so similarly every company has its own number of shares and every company has a different share price. Now how to buy or how to sell the shares? So like if you want to buy 5 Reliance shares, so will you directly go to Mukesh Ambani and will you ask him, hey, give me 5 shares of your company? Will you do that? No, you won't do that. So there is a process to buy the shares. There are two exchanges in India. They are Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. So these two company headquarters are located in Mumbai. So what happens is, if any company want to make its shares public, then it has to list in Bombay Stock Exchange, or it has to list it in National Stock Exchange, or it can list in both of them. So the people will buy shares from this BSE or from NSE. So now the question is, these two are located in Bombay. So if I want to buy Reliance shares, I have to go to Bombay and then go to NSE. And should I ask them, hey, give me 5 shares? No, that is also not the case. There is one more thing. If you want to buy shares, there are multiple broking apps are available. Like you have heard at least one of these terms, like Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow, Angel One, or some other thing. So if you download any of this app, or if you go to the website and if you create your account, that account is called as your DMAT account. Okay, remember the term DMAT account. So if you log in into this DMAT account, and if you search your company, like which company you want to buy, let's say if you want to buy Reliance company, so if you log in into this DMAT account and if you search for Reliance, you can see two Reliance display on that. One is Reliance NSE, Reliance BSE. Similarly, if you search for any other company, like yes, you can see Reliance NSE, Reliance BSE. So if you want to buy from NSE, you can click on that NSE one and you can buy. If you want to buy from BSE, you can click on that BSE1 and you can buy. You can do any of the thing. There is no much difference. So first, people have to create their DMAT account in one of the broking app like Zero, the Upstocks. Not only this or anything else also, it's fine. So they have to create that DMAT account. So once they create the DMAT account, they can access both of these NSE and BSE. They just have to simply search on that search bar which company they wanted to buy, and you can buy from NSE or you can buy from BSE. I'll show you an example also. I'll show you afterwards. Before showing you my DMAT terminal, I want to clear one thing, that many people have this fear, like if we place our money in DMAT account, is it safe, or if I buy the shares, is it safe, or will they do any scams like that? So I want to tell you one thing, that in India there is an organization called SEBI. So what this SEBI organization do is, it will regulate all these things. So it will regulate the broking apps, it will regulate the NSE, BSE, it will regulate companies, or if there are any illegal activities, it will take actions, or if there are any scams, it will take action. So everything is regulated by the SEBI. So there is no need to fear about this thing. Okay. This is my Zerodha DMAT account, and this is the terminal. So here you can see a search bar. So if you search for any company, let's say Reliance, here you can see NSE and BSE. So you can see both of these exchanges. So if you want to buy from Reliance, you can click here and you can buy, or if you want to buy from BSE, you can buy from here. Similarly, any company you might take. If you take TCS, here also you can see NSE, BSE, but there will be some companies which will be listed only in BSE, and if there will be some companies which will be only listed in NSE, then you can't find both. But most of the times you can find both NSE and BSE. In olden times, buying a stock is a complex process. Like you have to create an account and you have to call the broker and you have to say like buy this share. But now it's in your hand. You just simply have to log in into your DMAT account. You just have to search for your company and you can buy the thing. But buying the share is easy, but finding the share is the main thing. You have to learn how to pick a stock. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. So in this video we learned about what is NSE, what is BSE, what is SEBI, what are broking apps, and what is a DMAT account, and yeah, how to buy from the terminal. We have seen all these things. So let's stop this here, and in the next video we'll continue. So if you like this video, like it, and share it with your friends and family, and comment if you have any questions, or if you want me to make any video on any topic, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon, otherwise you won't get the notification. Yeah, thank you.